Hello guys, so as per usual, welcome to the channel and we will just get to it. This is basically how I am learning very quickly how to create a really good foundation and structure for later pieces of artwork. And recently I have been concentrating on portraits, faces, hands, bodies, but the last couple of weeks has been faces. So these faces I'm actually really happy with. I managed to sketch this in 2.5 minutes, 2.2 minutes, and 1.5 minutes. Previously I would have taken about 5 minutes per sketch to try and capture this, so I am very quickly improving my speeds and accuracy and proportions. As you can see, I've got the main lines, and I can then, if I wanted to, then go in with pencils or paint or whatever to then create hopefully a good piece of artwork. But right now I am practicing the fundamentals of art, which is sketching and getting the proportions correct. So if you don't know what I'm talking about when I say good speed and what methods I am using for my learning, it is geometric, observational, sometimes Loomis, accompanied with good speed, and this creates a really good and very quick and effective feedback loop. Again, contact me if you don't know what I'm talking about. So number 1 and number 3 are the closest to the original reference photo. However, I feel that this one is the most effective. So yeah, really happy with that, and I shall see you next time.